Welcome back. In this video, we'll explain all Godrej Inverter AC error codes and what they actually mean. On this channel, we explain AC errors in simple language, one error at a time. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to like the video. E0 error means the room temperature sensor is faulty or disconnected.
E1 error indicates a fault in the indoor pipe or evaporator sensor.
E2 error shows a problem with the outdoor ambient temperature sensor.
E3 error means the outdoor pipe or condenser sensor is faulty.
E4 error indicates a discharge temperature sensor problem.
E5 error shows a fault in the indoor humidity sensor.
E6 error indicates a suction temperature sensor problem. E7 error occurs when indoor and outdoor units fail to communicate. E8 error indicates a communication fault between PCBs. E9 error means communication loss in the inverter module. F0 error indicates refrigerant leakage or low gas level. F1 error appears when the indoor evaporator coil freezes. F2 error shows the outdoor unit temperature is too high. F3 error indicates excessive discharge temperature. F4 error means compressor exhaust overheating. F5 error indicates an abnormal refrigeration cycle. P0 error means inverter module protection is active. P1 error occurs due to high input voltage. P2 error indicates low supply voltage. P3 error means overcurrent is detected. P4 error shows an inverter drive fault. P5 error indicates abnormal DC bus voltage. P6 error means the power module is overheating. P7 error shows phase loss or imbalance.
P8 error indicates abnormal input power.
H0 error means compressor overheating protection. H1 error indicates compressor start failure. H2 error means compressor overload protection. H3 error indicates compressor lock or stall. H4 error shows abnormal compressor speed. H5 error means outdoor fan motor fault. H6 error indicates indoor fan motor fault. H7 error means outdoor fan speed is abnormal. H8 error indicates abnormal indoor fan speed. C0 error means EEPROM memory fault. C1 error indicates PCB sensor mismatch. C2 error means main control PCB fault. C3 error indicates outdoor PCB fault. C4 error means indoor PCB fault. C5 error indicates a program or firmware fault.
Subscribe for more AC repair secrets and tips.
Drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.
If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us make more great content.